how to integrate gravity forms to Mailchimp fast. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate gravity forms to Mailchimp fast. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is create a sample form on WordPress using gravity forms. After that, scroll down and click on API, then click on settings. Over here, you have to click on Mailchimp. Then just enter the Mailchimp API key. In order to get Mailchimp API key, what you have to do is go to the account section of Mailchimp by tapping on your profile icon. After that, you have to tap on extras. Then tap on API keys. So just copy this key and paste it in the WordPress. Then click on Save Changes. Now again, under API tab, tap on Add New to create a new integration. Then select the form or data provider under the trigger tab, in our case it is Gravity, and select task or form that you have created. Similarly, select the platform, which is Mailchimp Pro, which is under Action tab, and the task as well. Now select the Mailchimp list, which is Forms to Mailchimp, which is under Map fields that you have created on Mailchimp. Now just add necessary tags and set your form like first and last name, address, things like that. At last, click on Save Integration. So that's basically how you can integrate Gravity forms to Mailchimp fast. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.